guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of rats. Number 1. Soda. Soda is a common ingredient that you probably already have in your refrigerator, and if you don't already have soda in your home, you can easily purchase it at your local supermarket or corner store. Pour the whole can of soda in a small bowl and put it where you are noticing mice activity. When the mice drink the soda, the carbonation kills the mice shortly after they've ingested it. You can place several bowls around your house where you think mice are gathering, like under the kitchen sink or in your kitchen cabinets. One thing you want to keep in mind is that if the soda is left too long, you will attract ants, which turns into another mess on its own. Number 2. Dry cement. The powder that is used to create cement is known as dry cement and is an excellent way to kill mice without using harmful poison. When mixed with flour, the dry cement mixture becomes irresistible. How quickly eat it up. The combination makes them thirsty, prompting them to drink a lot of water. The mixture then dries up inside of them, swiftly killing them. To use this method, follow the steps below. Mix the ingredients in a bowl. Place the dry cement and flour mixture in onto a paper plate and place it in an area where you notice mice activity, or a place where you a significant amount of mouse droppings. Place a bowl of water near the mixture. If you discover that the rats aren't eating the mix, you can always add a teaspoon of cocoa powder. Number 3. Sprinkle pepper around your yard. If you found that you have a rat or mice problem, you can use pepper to repel them from your home. Mice and rats will leave your home if you expose them to a lot of scent that if you sprinkle canned pepper around the perimeter of your home, you will quickly get rid of any mice that have taken up residence. For an even more effective deterrent, use the following homemade spray. 1½ cup chopped habaneros, 2 tablespoons hot pepper flakes, 1 gallon water, 2 gallon buckets, gallon jug, spray bottle, cheesecloth, gloves, goggles, large pot. Put the goggles and gloves on before you start. Bring the water to a boil. Blend the habaneros and pepper flakes in a food processor and place the pepper mixture into one of the 2 gallon buckets. Pour the water over the pepper mix. Cover the bucket with a towel and let set for 24 hours. Place the cheesecloth over the second 2 gallon buckets and strain the peppers out. Fill the spray bottle with water. Sprinkle the mixture along with the exterior wall of your home, concentrating your efforts on affected areas and entrance. The mixture will keep for a couple of months if it is adequately covered and kept out of direct sunlight. Number 4. Bay leaf. To get rid of mice and rats in your home, use a bay leaf to kill them humanely. Rats and mice are attracted to the scent the bay leaf gives off. However, the leaves contain secondary metabolites that are lethal to rodents when ingested. Placing bay leaves around your home where you have problem with mice will help you get rid of mice permanently. Bay leaves are also great for getting rid of roaches around your house. Number 5. Model snakes and owls. If you are unable to attract owls to your property, you can always use fake owls to help you get rid of mice in your home and yard. Both owls and snakes are natural predators of mice and will deter mice from entering your yard and home. You can place fake plastic, snake and model owls strategically around your yard to drive mice away.